Hello. Now we continue the scene 3. What was the problem last class that we discussed? Mondano, Iago was called by Othello to report what really happened in the nearby castle, how Cassio quarreled with Roderigo. Iago and Mondano afraid of reporting because Iago telling both of them are closely related and known to him personally. So we cannot talk against them. Othello again wants Mondano to report because Mondano is responsible in charge man there. Then Mondano says, "Worthy Othello, I am hurted to danger." Means what? Even if I report, I will be in danger. If not reporting, that also will make me danger. Your officer, Iago, can inform you. It is better you ask Iago. Iago is your confidant and he is an honest man. You report me. He will tell you what really happened. While I spare speech with something now offends me. When I talk all these things that would offend me, that would hurt me, of that I do know, nor I ought by me the said done amiss that night, unless self-charity by some time a voice. We are now in unit number 190, C number 3. Take your pages and come with me. Unless self-charity by some voice and defend ourselves to be a sin when violence assails me. All our areas are we people having troubles. Why? Because there all people are celebrating in a way or another way. Othello, now by heaven, my blood begins, my safer guides mean reason and passion having best judgment collided. All the judgment keeping in my brain collided, clouded. As I used to lead the way zones, it always tries to me understanding the whimsies. If I stir, I do lift this arm best of you, shall sing in my rebuke, give me to know how this foul route, underline, how this foul route out, what this illicit matter, undesirable matter, how it happened, how it began. It means the quarrel between Roderigo and Cassio, how came to be, who set it on it, who really started it, who set it on means ആരാണിത് തുടങ്ങി വെച്ചത്. He and then be approved in his office, though he had been twinned with turned brothers with me, birth shall lose me. Even one who is twinned with me. Twinned means എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ജനിച്ച രക്തബന്ധമുള്ള സഹോദരനാണെങ്കിൽ പോലും ഇങ്ങനെയൊരു പ്രശ്നത്തിൽ ചെന്ന് ചാടിയാൽ ഞാൻ അവനെ ഇവിടെ വെച്ചേക്കില്ല. മീൻസ് I will take such an action against those people. What in a town of war you will the people hearts in full of fear the manage private domestic quarrels. If there are any domestic problems inside the house, we can excuse. But here this is our celebration day. All the public outside the house and such incidents, people making quarrel cannot be tolerated. The night on the court and the guard of the safety, the monstrous Iago who began. You tell me, Iago, who began? Tell me, Iago, do not hesitate. Do not hide anything from me. Mondano, if partially offend, leagued in our office. If you consider our office, if you consider that we are the responsible person, we have no other way but to report you. Thou dost deliver more or less than truth, thou art a soldier. Iago, touch me not so near. I had rather had tongue cut off my mouth. It is better cut my tongue out of my mouth. Means I am ready to keep quiet. I won't tell anything. Iago telling. Then it should go offense to make like as you. When I start talking, sorry, when I start talking, it would be against Cassio. That is not good. I don't want to talk against anything against Cassio. So when I start talking, it will be against Cassio. Yet I pursued myself to speak the truth, but there is no other way but to report because general asked me. അങ്ങ് എന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ പറയാതിരിക്കാനും കഴിയില്ല, പറഞ്ഞാലും പ്രശ്നമാണ്. അപ്പം അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒഫീഷ് ഇൻ ചാർജ് കൊണ്ട് ഐ ഹാവ് ടു ടോക്ക്. Shall nothing wrong him, the city's General Montano, myself being in speech. Sir, my lord, Montano, this man and I, we were talking and standing here. ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. There comes a fellow crying out of help. All of a sudden a man came for help, help, help. ചോദിച്ചു വന്നു. Cassio following him, determined with a sword. അയാളുടെ പുറകിൽ Cassio, your lieutenant, with a sword coming to attack. To execute upon him. Execute means to kill him. This gentleman steps to Cassio and bids his pause. All of a sudden, that man, most probably Roderigo, jumped and clutched his throat. Myself, the crying fellow, did pursue lest be clamor. The town might fall in fright if we were not really there and interfere. ഞങ്ങളതിൽ ഇടപെട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ വലിയൊരു മർഡർ തന്നെ നടന്നേനെ. There would be a problem for our city and the celebration tonight will be a disastrous one. Town might fall in fright. The whole town will be under the shadow of fear. He shifted to foot, outran my purpose, and I returned to the rather, for I heard the clink and fall of the swords. Then I followed to hear fighting sounds between these two. For Cassio high knows, which till tonight I never might before. When I came back, I found them close together. When I saw both of them are fighting together and they close in hand, I found them close together. Unit number 230. At a blow and thrust, even again they were when you yourself to part them. More of this manner can I not report. What is happened, what is followed later, I cannot report. But men are men best sometime forget, though Cassio did some title wrong to him. Underline, Cassio might have done any wrong to him. A man in rage strike those wish the best. Yet surely Cassio, I believed, received from him the flood some strangely indignity, insult. Indignity means insult. Cassio sometime might have insulted this man, or this man might have insulted Cassio, vice versa. So that may be the reason the real fight began, which patience could not pause. If anybody insult, our patience cannot resist. Othello, I know, Iago, the honesty, love thy minds this matter. I know you are an honesty man. You are very respectful person. Love doth means soft this matter. Make it light to Cassio. Cassio, I love thee, but never more be an officer of mine. Underline. Understanding, listening the matter from the lips of Iago, or the Lord put orders in the time instantly. What? I dismiss Cassio from the post. That is what Iago wanted. Or the Lord dismissed, be underline, I love thee, Cassio, I love you, but never more be officer of mine, underline. I hereby dismiss you from the post of lieutenant. This time, enter Desdemona with others. Look, if my gentle love be not raised up, I will make thee an example. Desdemona, why, my dear Lord? Why you are so angry? What is the matter? Desdemona asking. Oh, the Lord is well now sweetening, come away to bed. The Lord telling Desdemona, you need not to worry. We will go to our bedroom. We will be sleeping. Sir, for your hurts myself will be your surgeon, lead him on. Then asking, our Cassio, then Mondano got also some wounds. Telling Mondano, or the Lord telling Mondano, don't worry, I will make all the arrangements for your wounds to be bound up. Don't worry, I will take in charge. Iago, look with care about the town. Iago, now you are given charge. Indirectly, lieutenant charge is given, not by the order, but indirectly, Iago is given charge to look after the whole town. And silence those whom to wild brawl, distracted come Desdemona, it is soldier's life. Desdemona, my dear wife, need not to worry. This is a life of a soldier. Every soldier will have to be discarded so many things in the time of need. To have their balmy slumbers with strife. Iago, what? Are you hurt, Lieutenant? Asking Cassio. Yeah, past all surgery. It is beyond cure. Iago, Mary, God will forbid. Don't worry, it will be okay. It will be okay. Then Cassio, a reputation, underline, this is very famous quotes. He tells, oh, reputation, because lieutenant post, Cassio, under Othello, in Cyprus, he was a very reputed man. But after drinking alcohol, making quarrel, dismissing from the post, everything lost. Her reputation lost. I lost my reputation. I have lost my immortal part. All the people have been watching Cassio in a very respectful way. But after dismissing, on what ground? Quarreling. How quarreling? Drinking. Manipulated idea by cunning. Cunning idea by Iago. I have lost immortal part. Underline, reputation. I lost my reputation. In the way, drinking devilish spirit, which made me really lost my spirit, now has become victim of joblessness. I have lost myself. What remains is bestyle my reputation. How can it be treated beastly? My reputation, Iago. Tell my Iago. How can I get my reputation back? Asking to the best party. Iago, as I am an honest man, you all consider me as an honest man. I thought you had received some bodily wound, there is more offense. Now you got on 1 or 2 wounds in the fight between Mondano and between Roderigo, but not to be minded. A reputation is an idle, most false imposition of God without merit. If a person, he is telling a philosophy. He says, if a person getting a reputation without eligibility will lose it. People say in Malayalam, Korengende Kaili Mala Gittiya Madiri. In the same way, if you are not eligible, your reputation is nothing. Though you hold and stand in a high position, it will go. Philosophy. So, some people get a reputation without merit, without qualification, without eligibility. Some people will get such a reputation. Yourself such a loser. So consider yourself as a man of a loser. You lose your reputation. What a man, there were always recover the generally gain. You are but now cast in his. Now you are cast in his, dismissed out of angry. On the way, the same way, Iago, comforting Cassio. You need not to worry. He dismissed you only out of instant angry. That may be adjusted. It will take a time. Once he loses his angry, he will reinstate you in the post. ദേഷ്യമൊക്കെ പോകുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഒതല്ലോ നിന്നെ തന്നെ വീണ്ടും ആ പദവിയിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരും. ഡോണ്ട് വറി. സോ യു ഷോ സം പേഷ്യൻസ്. ടുഡേ ഹി ഡിസ്മിസ്ഡ്. Tomorrow he will reinstate you in the same post. For that I have several plans. Don't worry, I am your honest friend. See the malignancy, cunning nature of this man. So don't worry, today or tomorrow he will lose his angry. A punishment more in policy than malice. It is a punishment out of malice. Malice means angry. He is angry now because such a spirit of the day is lost. Only because your untimely action. Even so, one would beat his offenseless dog to affright imperious lion. Some people will do to make a lion angry, to beat his dog. In the same way, suit him. Underline, suit him means what? Slowly you approach him. And when he is in a silent mood sitting, you will make him realize what really happened. So it is your duty to sue him, appeal him, plead him again and again. One day or another day, you will be again what? A lieutenant. So in that way, Iago comforts Cassio, and it goes like that. And what Cassio is going to do later, let us wait and see. Thank you.